just need a little shawl. So I'm starting a look with all of the products I intend to include in my project pan for summer 2018. We're already a few weeks into summer, and I have started my base makeup, which is going to be the HOURGLASS Hyaluronic Skin Tint with SPF 15 in shade Vanilla. And I mixed that with a little bit of my Dermacol shade 207. I'd say it was about like a almost, it's like a 2-to-1, this 2 of this to 1 of the Dermacol mixed around on the back of my hand, and I applied it with my Clairsonic foundation brush. This does a really, really good job blending, as you can see, much better than I have previously done. Anyway, so we're just going to move through applying this look with as many pieces of makeup that I am attempting to pan as possible, and I'm also going to use some old things. Why? See, this wants to be focusing. I gotta sit in a certain place. So you guys know that Too Faced puts out holiday collections. Now, not the biggest Too Faced fan, but 2 years ago they turned me on to this deal, which was, let's see, it's got 16, 20 eyeshadow shades, and I was starting out in makeup. So I even got this like dupe for MAC Blue Brown. It's a dupe here, and I love MAC Blue Brown. This is as similar as you're gonna get from Too Faced for sure, and in a lot of cases you can find a better dupe now. Right into this, I forgot to mention I did prime my face with this LANCOME Le Base Pro primer. I also have like a full size of it, but I never used up my sample size, so I'm going to do that in this project as well. And let's see, so I did my base, which I mentioned was a mixture of the HOURGLASS Illusion and some Dermacol for a little bit more coverage, because the Illusion is a sheer, very minimal coverage skin tint with SPF 15. I really do love it, but it's time to wear it out. And I'm also going to pan, hopefully, because look how much product I actually still have left of the Laura Mercier. How long would I, like, this is absurd. I've had this for longer than I'm willing to admit. Alright, so it's not time for that just yet, I don't believe. I am going to use Best Year Ever 2018 Too Faced Holiday Collection. And I'm going to do my contour with this generic looking, this is a natural bristle brush for my contour. It's called Chocolate Soleil, so chocolate sun. I don't really have a big head. I think I have a bigger chin, to be honest. But no Jay Leno jokes. Appreciate you. Oh, see what I did? I did that classic mistake where in the palette that has eyeshadows and other things close together. That's okay, I have a makeup wipe, and this might be salvageable. I'm taking Chocolate Soleil again. It's on a flat eyeshadow brush. Do I look snatched? That my nose is snatched. It can be safe. I will learn how to snatch my nose. Darn it. You'll see. I'll show you all, and then you'll see. Alright, comment down below 1 to 10. How bad is it? 10 being very bad and 1 being horrific. An atrocity to makeup. Contour. I'll do a highlight. Highlight is my favorite. And I did just get a new one, but I'm still going to use one that I've been using more recently, which is the Pure Sculptor. And I really love this shade right here. And that's how you contour your nose. You gotta kick it off with that highlight, honey. You gotta make it look like it doesn't look like in real life. I know if you've been watching my channel, you've been seeing me use this highlighter like every time I film. So I'm wondering what you guys are thinking of it. Like, I am maybe its biggest fan. Nice, healthy, snatch glow. Alright, so next, let's do some blush. Now I do have a hard time picking between. You know, I'm going to do the pinkier one versus this almost, okay, so side by side you have like a peachier one and a pinkier one. I'm going to do a pinkier one because that's the one that I'm going to start using less, I'm betting. So that's called Sweet Pink. It is sweet. Smile for saving the environment by project panning your stuff. So I was mentioning earlier, guys, these brushes, yeah, look at my face. Can you see the hair stuck to my face? This is why I won't, like even low-key think about putting up an affiliate code, because while these brushes work and sometimes like really well for what they're supposed to, I still find that you have to pick stuff off your face and it is not fun. Blended, probably better than usual, or I'm just impressed that I don't look like hell because I stopped like breaking out every single day. I'm never gonna give up sugar. I'm quitting smoking. It's the future. These are actually the only eyeshadows that I have picked out too that I plan to try to pan, but I'm not gonna pan these because there's no way. So many. There's literally like fucking 3 dozen shadows here and they're all crazy. Okay, but I am going to set my face too with the Laura Mercier because that is something I'm trying to get rid of. Not because I don't love it, because I actually have another powder that I love just a little more. Okay, so I like to do it mostly around my eyes, my under eyes, chin, around my nose, sides, forehead, around here. I like to do a little brightening here. It's also veiling because there was a little unevenness in the contour. Okay. And I'm going to do a little spritz of something that I will pan without trying. You know it. It's just going to make the powders set into the skin really nice. Sorry, this is going to get panned anyway. I don't have to try, guys. Like, this is almost, I mean, it's not almost gone. It's half gone, but that's not something you have to try to pan. You know what I mean? It's just not going to be an issue. So now I get to do brows. This is Anastasia Brow Powder Duo in Auburn. I usually have been using only one side of it since I don't really do my hair in red tones, though I do have some red in my hair today. I'll do some Auburn. Why not? This is the AESTHETICA. This is actually for something a little less precise. This might not look the best. I'm gonna go for it anyway. Making sure to fill the brow in with upward strokes here, like easy. 2 items, moving on. I'm gonna do a NORVINA Inspired Look again. The NORVINA palette is going to be in my 2 hands quite soon, but I'm gonna go ahead and do this Fond of You color all over my lid. Well, just in the crease section. I'm seeing something that really reminds me of the Wild Child or the Love color, and I'm going to take that all over my brush, coat the brush completely. The shades are a little bit tough to build, which is why I haven't worked with them very much. Too Faced shadows are not my favorite. They just are not. One of these type brushes, and I just want to do like tap the tip of the brush, maybe a little bit, and I'm gonna do the outer V. In this purple color. Needs a little more. This shade is called Live It Up, though I'm not sure if they like repeat these colors in any other palettes. Sorry, I am just trying to pan them. I have super sensitive eyes. Everything irritates them, everything, but I just love makeup too much to stop. Plus, I have been through enough to put up with a little bit of eye irritation, as long as I can see. Sleigh Bells, which is like this almost rose gold color, actually. I wouldn't say it's a dupe for anything, but we're gonna pat that there. Yeah, let's just go over the Kindness is Free with that. Because it has so much more impact. I still need some more purple under this side. And jump cut. It's like magic. So now I have enough time to keep going. Alright, so we started with just a base color to kind of keep things from sticking. You see how much stuff gets stuck in my eyes though? Really? It's color After Hours. I don't have to show it to you because you can't find it anyway. How about that? You know me with these inner core highlights. think this might work actually. Just like a really bright. Yeah, there we go. So, I didn't want to show you, but Halo was the inner corner highlight. Let's do a lip from what I've got left to work with, and I think so you can see I'm having a little bit of trouble with my lip color, but I do eventually find one. Also trying to pan this. I'm gonna do a little more pink on the lid. Now I've been also trying to pan or get rid of, use up the Cils Booster XL, which is a mascara primer. What did I get in my eye? That's rough. So this will lengthen your lashes and prime your lashes so that they're like conditioned while you have mascara on, because a lot of mascaras like dry up and flake off, and then your makeup underneath on your face gets all jacked up. It's the least fun. And another little beauty tip: get all of your lashes with both mascara and the mascara primer. And this is my Grandiose Extreme LANCOME mascara. It's this nice, easy to use applicator. My most favorite part about it. To be honest, this is one of the mascaras that LANCOME makes that doesn't need this mascara primer. And I've been using it, I had been using it a lot, and so I kind of forgot about the mascara primer, but you can see that these are natural lashes, and they really get like sky high. Those almost look fake. I am kind of an old school ride or die LANCOME type. My oldest piece of makeup is from LANCOME. I kept it for like 20 years, and it's their micro paillettes. It's like glitter. We've used up a lot of the stuff that I am looking to pan, and I hope that y'all enjoyed watching. Thanks.